What's up, guys? Chase Reiner here, and today we're going to be talking about the very first AI tool to automatically fully generate AI videos with Chatgpt, Midjourney, and 11 Labs. And if you don't know what those are, don't worry. These videos are really sick, and they let you create videos about pretty much anything you could ever imagine. Just think about image generation on steroids in the form of video. So I'm going to show you this really cool automation that I figured out. I'm going to show you how to get started with this right now. Look, I don't know how to tell you this, but if you're not using AI to generate videos on autopilot yet with ShineRanker, you're missing out on one of the coolest opportunities. Somebody just sent me a message on Facebook. It's actually somebody that was a client of mine that was buying website services from me. And he said, look, I'm eating this fish here, a branzino fish. So I'm like, oh, that's cool. Let me go and generate a video. I put in Dr. Birch eats a branzino fish. I clicked on generate, and within 2 minutes, I had this video here. Let me play it for you.
No fish. See him fascinated by its. Meet Dr. Birch, a man of exquisite tastes. Watch as he discovers the delights of the branzino fish. See him fascinated by its silver beauty before it's cooked. Witness the careful preparation, the seasoning, the culinary skills. Behold the transformation as the fish turns into a masterpiece under the chef's hands. Savor the moment with him as he takes the first bite of the perfectly cooked branzino. Join in his satisfaction as he relishes the unique, delicate flavor. And remember, a day in the life of Dr. Birch is never ordinary, especially when it involves a branzino fish.
So I can generate these videos for anything in just a couple seconds. I have another friend named Becky. She does events where she hosts Lamborghini events, actually. And I went and generated a video. I said to ShineRanker, make me a video about a woman named Becky that hosts events for Lamborghini. And this is what I got here.
Get ready as the Lamborghini event takes a wild turn, all thanks to a woman named Becky. Witness the crowd going wild as Becky steps into the spotlight. Becky's charisma and charm captivate everyone, making the event the talk of the town. Each rev of the Lamborghini engines echoes Becky's influence over the crowd. Spotlights on Becky, whose presence turns the Lamborghini event into an unforgettable spectacle. Watch as every Lamborghini lover is drawn to Becky's magnetic personality. Becky's impact is undeniable, turning a simple Lamborghini event into a wild, must-attend occasion. Unforgettable and wild, this Lamborghini event, thanks to Becky, is one for the records.
So, I mean, again, you can use this for anything. And right now, it's obviously my voice in here. But one of the new features we're adding in here is you'll be able to clone either your own voice or even your client's voice. And imagine how cool it'd be to go and start generating videos like this for anybody, anyone that you know. And all you have to do is sign up for ShineRanker, which costs $1 right now. If you go to shineranker.com, enter your email, you can get started for literally just $1 and start selling this as a service to people that want videos generated. And if you don't know what topics those people should target, let's say you're targeting a local chiropractor. If you go to ShineRanker, click on viral topic finder, chiropractor, let's say Los Angeles, I can go and figure out the top things people are searching with this viral keyword tool. I can take the keywords that we find, I can load those keywords into the ShineRanker tool, and I can have videos made for each of those keywords for the clients. There might be a little bit of a lag here. Let me actually just refresh this. We have so many people, by the way, on this tool right now that we've actually crashed the server a few times because of how many people are going and trying to use these tools right now because of how incredibly unique they are. You're not going to see a tool like this anywhere else on the internet. And what's even cooler about this is you can actually promote these tools too and get paid to promote ShineRanker. You actually get 40% reoccurring commissions anybody who signs up for this tool. So let me just go ahead and take some of these topics here. I can also see how difficult they are to show up for on places like Google or YouTube or wherever. So best chiropractor in Los Angeles. Okay, so I can take that topic, go to the AI video tool, AI text image, and I could say best chiropractor in Los Angeles. And then I can say a certain name. Let's say the doctor is, or the chiropractor is Mr. Chase Reiner. Okay. Click on generate. And then that's going to make me a video about either whoever I put in there, right? And I could take anybody's response. If somebody's talking to me and they're saying, oh yeah, I'm eating a fish or I'm doing this or that, I can generate videos for that. And we have all these people inside of our Discord group. By the way, I'm going to leave a link to our free Discord server if you want to check it out. We got all these people in Discord right now trying out this tool. I'm going to just show you some that people are generating here. Let's play this one.
Discover the unimaginable as AI takes over the world. Witness the rise of machines smarter, faster, and more efficient. Experience the dawning of a new era where AI governs financial markets. Imagine a world where AI-powered robots dominate the healthcare sector. Visualize AI with its unerring precision controlling our transport systems.
So, by the way, I know some people are like, well, Chase, this is just like a slideshow type video. And that's true. But if you were to do everything we're doing manually right now, which is to get Chatgpt 4 to go and create you a script and then clone your voice and do MP3 audio render with your voice and then combine that with prompts for Midjourney to get all of the images and then edit all together, like this is going to take you at least over an hour to do, at least per video. And this is just the beginning of the tool. This is just beta. Like one of the features we're adding in as well, not just adding in your voice clone, but we're also adding in the ability to animate these videos as well. And a bunch of really, really cool stuff. And also look, if you want these videos to be more interactive, just download them and drag them into CapCut. CapCut, it's super easy to go and add your own effects. If you want to go like this and then click on effects and drag like lightning bolts in here, look, I can already get some animations going inside of this video. So now it's a little bit, oh, let me mute that. So now it's a little bit more entertaining here and it looks like more animated. Okay. So like, I'm just showing you what's possible here. You can choose what you want to decide to do with it, but we have so many different examples of ways that you can use this. You can plug in a website. You can plug in, different types of videos like conspiracy videos. Let's do this one with the pyramids. If you thought AI generated art was cool, wait, this was a video I actually did about the video. Let me take this one here.
Imagine stepping into the year 2030, where the secrets of the ancient pyramids are finally unlocked. A world where the mysteries of the past become the knowledge of the present. We marvel at the intricate...
So, I mean, you kind of get the point here. All the videos are AI generated. The images are AI generated. The voice clone is AI generated. Everything's AI generated. This is the first tool to fully AI generate everything, literally everything. And so if you want to check it out, you can go check it out right now. You can click on the $1 trial, get the $1 trial. And also, if you go to this $1 trial here and you do /partner at the end of it, you can actually sign up for an affiliate link. You just sign up like this, enter your name, email, whatever affiliate ID you want, and then it'll give you a link once you connect to your PayPal. Anybody who clicks on that link, if you send them to this tool, you're going to earn money when they sign up. And the tool is a reoccurring $97 monthly subscription, which is also a pretty good deal considering the fact that in order to build these types of videos, if you wanted to do 100 of these videos, it would cost a good amount of money to have somebody to go do all these videos, all the edits, and everything that you'd want to do. Where right now, you can just do as many of these as you want for very, very cheap. I mean, to get started, $1, right? Let's play this, see what it sounds like.
Welcome to the world of Chase Reiner, the best chiropractor in Los Angeles. Experience the magic of holistic healing with his innovative chiropractic techniques. See the transformation as pain gives way to relief under his expert hands. Witness the smiles of countless satisfied patients who have found a new lease on life. Join the ranks of those who choose well-being over discomfort, thanks to Chase Reiner. Discover the difference that a top-notch chiropractor can make on your health journey. Why wait when pain-free living is just an appointment away with Mr. Chase Reiner? Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep believing in the power of healing with the best chiropractor in Los Angeles, Mr. Chase Reiner.
So again, I could take this video and I could say, okay, that's the first video I want to do for my client out of the different keywords I found. And then I could have another one for Woodland Hills and one for Los Angeles and one for Koreatown, whatever. And then I can even build the description. Like if I wanted to build a landing page, ShineRanker also has ChatGPT built into it, ChatGPT 4, which is the latest version. And I can have it go and build me out a description for the video. I can have it go and build me out a blog post. I can do all kinds of stuff, all these services for these clients in just a few clicks. And again, like this is crazy because not only can you sell this tool to other people, but you can also get people set up on this tool and start doing their content for them and selling this as a service. So the possibilities are really pretty much endless with this. And you can get started right now, literally for just $1. ShineRanker.com, click on the dollar button. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Check it out. Let me know what you think. And make sure you post in the Discord too. Let us know what you're doing. And we'll see you very soon. Until we do, happy money making.